What I want to do here is I want to cut these off of here because otherwise I cannot get my biggest lawnmower on this trailer. So I'm going to take these, cut them off, and move them back here. Hopefully I will not have to cut any wires. That's my goal. And the same over here on the other side. If you're going to do automotive work, you're going to have some tools and supplies. You're going to have your wire over here, your heat shrink, tubes. You're going to have these. These are a variety. This one here is 1/4 inch, which might be adequate. Another one that you might consider would be 3/8 in this case. You're going to have these crimper tools. There's different sizes that you can use to crimp these automotive connectors. Then this one has wire strippers right here. A cutoff tool of some kind. These are just regular nippers, is what I call them. And then you're going to have some wire ties, cable ties, whatever you want to call them, different sizes. This is a small size right here. Here's another one that is a little bit bigger than the small size, or thereabouts. So first of all, I'm going to take this piece of yellow wire and twist it a little bit at one end. And this is going to be where the connector goes. I'm going to make it about 1/4 inch. Maybe a little bit less. Alright, you're going to have one male and one female. So all you have to do is take this piece that you stripped right here, put this connector on. like that. Now you don't want to drive it clear up into here. Well, you can, I guess, but I don't want to in this case. So I'm going to crimp it first. And the crimping part is right here at the end. So place this pointed area on the crimping tool, and then there's like a female and a male. You're going to take the male part, put it on your connector, and crimp it right there in the middle. Right there. I'll point it out a little bit more precise. Right there, in the middle of this connector, where the plastic is. The other thing that I do is to crimp it right behind the middle of it. Okay, now I have a place here where it's sort of burnt, and I'm going to cut it right here. Start from here and go down to the fourth one, because I determined that that was the one that's going to cut the wire and strip it. Now after you put the male piece on there, make sure it's not going to come off. Pull on it a little bit. I want that one to be able to stretch, because I put an extra length of square tubing right there. I put an extra length of square tubing, and I want this yellow wire down here, I want it to reach. And now hook it up temporarily. Okay, now the reason why I did all this is because I put an extra length of steel right there. I put an extra length of square tubing on this so that I could extend this whole light assembly out further. Now I've got both square tubes, the new ones, welded on there. This one over here on that side, and I've got the wire hooked up temporarily to make sure that it's going to stretch the entire way. And then I'll just take wire ties and possibly put right in here between this side and over here. I might put another cross member in there. Well, I painted it, and so now I'll wait till it dries.